Good morning students, this is Srinivasa Pramal. Today we are going to discuss about chapter 4 linear equations in two variable exercise 4.2. The first question, which one of the following option is true and why? The given question is y is equal to 3x plus 5. So this is a linear equation and make a line only. The answer is option 3. The reason, so because a line has infinite many points and each point is a solution of the linear equations. So option 3 is correct. In question number 2, write 4 solutions for each of the following equations. Then question number 1 is 2x plus y is equal to 7. So the given value is only one equation and two variables. So this is a general question. You can substitute any value of x or any value of y. You can find your own value. So myself, I doing the x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 3. So this is a 4 value. So when I substitute the x is equal to 0 means the y is equal to 7. Then I apply x is equal to 1. So 2 plus y equal to 7. Then finally y equal to 5. And next x is equal to 2. So 2 cross 2 is 4 plus y is equal to 7. Then y equal to 3. Then x equal to 3. That means 6 plus y equal to 7. Then value of y equal to 1. So these are the 4 solutions. The first one is 0, 7. The next 1, 5 and 2, 3. Then 3, 1. So these are the 4 solutions. When applying this same number, we getting the 7. The question number 2. Pi x plus y equal to 9. So here also applying the x value 0, 1, 2, 3. Then I need value of y only. So the y equal to 9 minus pi x. Just I substitute the values here. So x is equal to 0 means y equal to 9. X is equal to 1. Y equal to 9 minus pi. Then x is equal to 2. The value of y equal to 9 minus 2 pi. Then x is equal to 3. The value of y equal to 9 minus 3 pi. So for each case the solution is 0, 9 and 1, 9 minus pi. Then 2, 9 minus 2 pi. And 3, 9 minus 3 pi. So these are the solutions. Then question number 3. X is equal to 4y. So again I need value of y. So here I substitute the values of y first. So because it's much easy. So y equal to 0 and y equal to 1, y equal to 2, then y is equal to 3 for my value. You can choose your own choice. When I apply y equal to 0 means x is equal to 0 and y equal to 1 means the value of x is equal to 4. Then y2 x is equal to 8 and y3 means x is equal to 12. So these are my points. 0, 0, then 4, 1 and 8, 2, then 12, 3. So these are my 4 solutions for the given equation. Question number 3. So check which of the following are solutions of equation x minus 2y is equal to 4 and which are not. The first one, the given value is x minus 2y is equal to 4. Just substitute the values 0, 2. That means x comma y position. So x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 2. Just take a LHS, x minus 2y, then substitute the values. So 0 minus 2 into 2. So this make minus 4. But in our question the RHS is equal to 4. So the given term LHS is not is equal to RHS. So this is not a solution. Question number 2. 2 comma 0. So LHS equal to x minus 2y. Then value of x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 0. So finally we are getting 2. So LHS is not equal to RHS. So this is not a solution of the given linear equation. Then third one, 4 comma 0. Substitute the values. 4 minus 2 into 0, so 4 only. But this question LHS is equal to RHS. So 4 comma 0 is a solution of the given linear equation. Fourth one, root 2 comma 4 root 2. LHS equal to x minus 2y, then substitute the values. So root 2 minus 2 times of 4 into root 2. Then finally we getting root 2 minus 8 root 2. So the final answer is 7 root 2. So LHS is not a RHS because right hand side we have only 4. So this term is not a 4. So this point is not a solution of linear equation. Fifth one, 1 comma 1. So just replace the given value x minus 2y. Just substitute the value 1 minus 2 into 1. So the final answer is minus 1. So again LHS is not equal to RHS. So this point is not a solution of linear equation. Find the values of k if x is equal to 2, y equal to 1 is solution of the linear equation 2x plus 3y is equal to k. So given value x equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. Then the linear equation 2x plus 3y is equal to k. So just substitute the value. So 2, then 3 times of 1 is equal to k. Then 4 plus 3 is equal to k. Then finally the k value is equal to 7.